Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can activate Happy New Year theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Instagram application and log in into your account. Then you need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and then you need to click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme and you need to select Happy New Year. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that Happy New Year theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.